Hello again and welcome back to my channel. Let's explore female psychology with this book of The Book of Women by Osho. This book is very unique in the sense it's in question answer format, which makes it interesting to read. Let's see some of the interesting questions and their answers given by Osho. Question 1. How can you, as a man, talk about the feminine psyche? Answer. I am not talking as a man. I am not talking as a woman. I am not talking as a mind at all. The mind is used, but I am talking as consciousness, as awareness. And awareness is neither he nor she. Awareness is neither man nor woman. Your body and mind has that division, but there is something beyond them. There is something transcendental. That is your real core, your being. That being consists only of awareness, of witnessing, of watchfulness. It is pure consciousness. And of course, I have lived in the feminine body many times, and I have lived in masculine body many times, and I have witnessed all. What I am saying to you is the conclusion of many lives. It has not to do with this life. This life is only a culmination of a long pilgrimage. Question 2. Why is it so difficult for man and woman to live in a marriage? Answer. It is very simple to understand. Marriage is the ugliest institution invented by man. It is not natural. It has been invented so that you can monopolize a woman. You have been treating women as if they were a piece of land or some currency notes. You have reduced the woman to a thing. Remember that if you reduce any human being to a thing, unaware, unconscious, you are also being reduced to the same status. Otherwise, you will not be able to communicate. If you can talk with a chair, you must be a chair. Question 3. Why love is destroyed in marriage? Answer. Love is not destroyed by marriage. It is destroyed by the partners. It is you who destroy it because you don't know what love is. You simply pretend to know. You simply hope that you know. You dream that you know. But you don't know what love is. Love has to be learned. It is the greatest art there is. If people are dancing and somebody asks you, come and dance, you say, I don't know. You don't just jump up and prove yourself to be a dancer. It has to be learned. In fact, love is much more difficult as it is dancing with somebody else. To fit with somebody, it is a great art. Question 4. Why is it so difficult to relate? Answer. Because you are not yet. There is an inner emptiness and the fear that if you relate with somebody, sooner or later you will be exposed as empty. Hence, it seems safer to keep a distance with people. At least you can pretend you are. You are not yet born. You are only an opportunity. You are not yet a fulfillment. And only two fulfilled persons can relate. To relate is one of the greatest things of life. To relate means to love. To relate means to share. But before you can share, you must have. And before you can love, you must be full of love, overflowing love. Question 5. Could you talk about the responsibility of being a parent for a woman? Answer. To become a mother is one of the greatest responsibilities in the world. So many people are on the psychiatrist couches and so many mad people are in madhouses and so many are out of the madhouses. If you go deep into the neurosis of humanity, you will always find the mother. Because so many women want to be mothers but they don't know how to be. Once the relationship between the mother and the child goes wrong, the child's whole life goes wrong. Because that is his first contact with the life, with the world, his first relationship. Everything else will be in continuity with it. And if the first step goes wrong, the whole life goes wrong. One should knowingly become a mother. You are taking one of the greatest responsibilities that a human being can take. Men are a little freer in that way because they cannot take the responsibility of becoming a mother. Women have more responsibility. So become a mother, but don't take it for granted that just by being a woman, one is necessarily a mother. That is a fallacy. Motherhood is a great art. You have to learn it. So start learning about it.